Now, Pawan Kheda, you've heard what has been said. And you know, it's a tutu meme at the end. I want to know the fresh information on the basis of which the Congress wants a JPC. Tell me the fresh info.
Sir, apart from the fresh info, which I'll definitely repeat and also add, this lady spokesperson from the BJP forgets conveniently that the CAG report she is hiding behind forgot or chose to forget the dissent note by 3 members, 8-page dissent note by 3 members of the Indian negotiating team. That note came out in a section of the Indian media. She will forget that. She'll ignore that. The entire CAG report on the Rafale deal came crashing down once this major embarrassing revelation came out that a dissent note was not taken into consideration by the CAG. So please don't hide behind the report.
But Mr. Kheda, all of this was before the Supreme Court?
The Supreme Court spoke about jurisdiction. Did the Supreme Court, I repeat my question, did the Supreme Court say no to a JPC? Please get me a response to this question. Did the Supreme Court say नहीं भाई कोई JPC नहीं होना चाहिए, इसके बाद कोई जांच नहीं होनी चाहिए, खत्म, कुछ नहीं होगा? ऐसा हुआ? नहीं हुआ. The new revelations. Number 1, the price. Who increased the price?
Okay, quickly.
Number two, how did Anil Ambani have insider information, prior information? Before a fortnight, he inks a contract with Dassault. Number 3, Olan himself said he was asked by who? It's for anyone to guess, to take Anil Ambani as a partner.
Okay, so you're saying...
Number 4, the JV between Anil Ambani's company and Dassault. You've seen 94% of equity is being put by Dassault, but Anil Ambani will own 51% of the company. 94% equity by Dassault, Anil Ambani will own 51% of the company.
Okay. So you're saying, remember though, a JPC has a majority members of the ruling party, they will naturally support the Rafale deal. So presumably, it will not result in any fresh
problem with. We know this, that ruling party will be in the majority in the JPC, but the government can no longer hide behind, oh, this is national security, we can't make documents public. Please make those documents available to the JPC.
Okay.
But that's a standard practice.
Okay, you've made the point, and I will give Sanju Verma therefore the final word. Sanju Verma, during the Bofors scandal, this was the prime demand. Have a JPC so that certain documents which otherwise are seen on national security considerations cannot be made public, at least make them public to the MPs and a JPC. What is it that the BJP loses by putting a JPC? You have a majority. Why are you worried? What are you scared of? 1 minute to you.
Rajdeep, now please don't interrupt me. So Rajdeep, let us be very clear. Who are the people who are making allegations against the Prime Minister? It is a party. The Congress in 1948, the Jeep scam under Nehru, under Indira Gandhi, the submarine scam under Rajiv Gandhi.
This is the kind of comment you want her to make, then I'll interrupt. I'll also make allegations from their scandals in Gujarat.
No, this is no argument. This is no argument for not having a JPC. 1 minute, Pawan Kheda.
You don't have an answer. Don't just say you don't have an answer. This is what he does. I'll expose
why now? Forget about Jeep scandal.
To the multiple scams that Mr. Prime Minister has been done.
I have now reached the end of my tether. I had asked a simple question. कहीं पे मैं
गवर्नमेंट ऑफ स्कैमस्टर्स ऊपर से नीचे सब दलाल बैठे हैं. आप बात कर रहे हैं भ्रष्टाचार की. ऊपर से नीचे भ्रष्ट और दलाल लोग बैठे हैं.
Producer, this is just what we don't want, but I think we've heard both sides. We've heard both sides. Should there be a JPC? You decide. And I hope that the politicians in Parliament session will decide whether a JPC, which at least provides the documents to Parliament, is put in place, perhaps because that's what's happened in previous such contentious defense deals. Let's leave it there. The Rafale is here. Nothing wrong with having a JPC, one would say.